Hello, welcome to ChessMagis. This is my first English video. I hope you will enjoy it. I will try my best. After a few holidays, I do have my best strength to do it. Okay, let's go. This is about Immortal Game. This is a chess and NFT game where you can earn some crypto, some money, definitely. There are three ways to enter the game. The first one is the cheap one. You can go here to the leaderboard. I will in the weekly AP. You can just try to accomplish the missions, and then if you accomplish them, Immortal will give you completely free some pieces, and you can play with those pieces. No worries, I will explain it later because it's the same explanation at all levels. The second one is the expensive one. You can, in my profile here in the inventory, I do have some pieces. Those one piece of art are really very expensive. You must invest, and depending on how much money do you invest, you will have a comeback return of money depending on how much money you are investing on it. Okay, this is the expensive one. In my opinion, the best one is taking a scholarship from Unbound Nation. By the way, you have all the links you will be needing on the description of the video. Unbound Nation is the first one, so you must apply to it, and then no investment is needed. Okay, how to play on Immortal Game, because many people is asking how the missions do work, what to do. Okay, first of all, you must win the game. There is a leaderboard, a weekly leaderboard and a monthly leaderboard. I'm now explaining the IP leaderboard, which is the one where you are earning the most money. Okay, the first one now is so random. You earn IP points by winning the games. It's very important. If you don't win the game, you don't win IP. Okay, you draw it, you win something, but if you lose, 0 points. This is very important. The first objective is to win the game. Secondly, you should have 4 pieces, and sorry, here in my inventory, they are like a handicap because you must accomplish the mission. For example, this one, if I am the first one to capture 4 pieces, I will earn 280 IP only if I accomplish the mission. If my opponent is faster than me to capture 4 pieces, I don't earn those ones. But those ones, 56, which are here, sorry, because I'm very big, I will put me here. The introduction is so pretty that it's not that important. If it is showed twice. Okay, so here, I was telling those 56, if you draw the game or win the game, even if you don't accomplish the mission, you will earn them. So those maybe in some sense are the more important, but those ones is the way you earn the most. So you must accomplish the mission. I have my own strategy. Pawns, this pawn is very important to me because pawns may not advance 2 squares. So I cannot play, okay, I can, but I should not play c4. I should not play e4. I can play e3 and then e4, but not d4, f4 on one move. Why? Because I would not be winning those 30, 60, 800 points. So it's very important to accomplish the mission in order to earn the IP points. But take in mind, still you must win the game. I will play one game to show it, but it's very important. I always have a look to the rating of my opponent. If the rating is higher than mine, I usually try to play a normal game. I almost forget about the missions because he's stronger, and most probably he will win me anyway. So there is uh, no worries. Why to worry about the mission? But if he's more or less my rating, or more important, if he's lower for sure, I don't try to play my best game. No, no, no. I will play an hippo game, no, hippopotamus game. You have the link here. It's in Spanish. If you want those videos to me to edit in English, please tell me on the description. Uh, I'm eager to make more videos in English. Okay, so because my strategy is about giving the space, I play g3, b3, or g6, b6, bishop g7, and almost never play the pawns to squares. Just when I win the game, I win a lot of IP points. This pawn, there are some missions which have synergy between them. This one, those pawns, it is the case because this pawn cannot be played 2 times in a row and must survive. So more or less, uh, a friend of the other. And of course, this one, be the first to capture 3 pieces. I'm trying to do this mission, and if I accomplish it, then this other is easier because it's only to capture one more. This is piece of art piece, which is better, is more expensive than this other. That's why it gives even more IP points if I win the game. And the last one, capture a pawn before any other kind. Sometimes I switch it, but usually I have okay. Okay, I already told those 4. This is my army. Mm, you should, in my opinion, switch sometimes the army because your opponents will know you finally, and it's even more handicap you if they know you cannot play the pawns twice, and so sometimes I'm trying to switch, but okay, it's just playing chess, but making it more complicated in some sense, harder. On the main thing is those IP, you are earning them. I'm here now. I'm 10th. I 160,000 for the 488. So I'm with this one. I'm 10th, and I'm already earning. I hope you can see it. Yes, here it is. Almost 0.07 Ethereum, which is maybe $100. It's not that bad. But if I earn just a bit more IP, still you must pay attention. One day, 20 hours to finish the week. This is very important because those one are very close, but they are fighting. They are earning more points too. So pay attention. I will try to be 5th, 4th. I don't know. It depends on the others too, of course. But now, if they don't play, just playing a bit, I'm almost doubling my Ethereum. So it's about a game about playing chess, but you must optimize your time, and uh, even further, I would say knowing how to resign is important because you must fight the games. But if the game is completely lost, why be there 2 or 3 more minutes? Okay, if he's giving mate, let him give mate if you want, but 3 more minutes to get the same result. Resign, play another one, and go. Losing or winning is not that important. Is This is about the IP points. By the way, you win CMT2. Still, we do not know how much is worth it, but I guess I don't know, but maybe more or less the same you win with Ethereum? Might be. I don't know. I mean, if you are playing and you can win very profitable cryptocurrencies on, by the way, with Unbound Nation, you have the link on the description. You do not need to invest you need to invest just nothing. Here I give you a link. I a few days ago made a similar video in Spanish, so you have it here if you want to listen me on Spanish. And again, on the video description, you have here you have the link of the Discord of ChessMagis, where you can personally ask me any question you have about the game. You have the Discord channel of Unbound Nation, of Immortal Game. You have two very important. I used to make twice a week some Twitch live videos. So many people is asking me questions, and so you can listen their questions and make your own questions. Okay, that's all. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope my English was good enough. Hope to improve, and see you. ChessMagis. Goodbye.